You can't pick a wrong one. And hey, what's up, Adam? What's up? Hey, what's up, Cave Trader? Yeah, that's probably what he was doing. That's probably what. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm glad to see that, man. Let's see if we can make some more money on silver. Yo, silver is a beast. Man, if you chase silver tonight, she punched you like 10 times in the face today. If you chase silver tonight, she punched you like 10 times in the face. Because man, silver was not playing tonight. You said the NQ? Let's look at the NQ. But I bring news, everybody. I bring news. I bring news. I just locked in my another payout with Top Step tonight. I'll show that later on, but man, silver. Silver punched me a couple of times in the face, but I grabbed Silver by the shoulders and say, "Bitch, who the hell you hitting like that?" She hit me a couple of times in the face today, man. I will say that, but I was able to lock in the payout. Like I had to step away because Silver stopped me out and it went in my direction. I was like, bro, what? What? Like she ticked me out and then she went in my direction. And then for whatever reason, I guess since the spreads were so wide, I was getting stopped out before price even hit my target, I guess. Because I guess because of the spreads and that's kind of why you have to set limits on silver. You have to set limits on silver because you might get in, and because the spreads are so wide, you might get a horrible entry. Uh, I do it as soon as I was getting limited in because of the spreads. I was getting stopped out. I had a small because I was trying to trade with two silver contracts, so I had like a 9 tick stop. As soon as I opened as soon as I opened the position, it closed me out, and I was like, "Fuck!" So I was just basically giving money to the damn market. I had to take my damn my stop off and get into the position and manage it like that. Uh, I will say that I got super lucky tonight because silver could have been like super nasty, but um, I was finally able to find myself on the right side of a big move on silver, and I was able to lock in that payout. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Yeah, yeah, dude, dude, them spreads on silver is crazy sometimes, man. Crazy. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate it. But shit, hey, you know how we like them. We like our girls feisty and toxic. That's why I'm in. That's why I live here in Texas. Them spicy women. Get them spicy. No, that's not why I live down here in Texas. I'm just playing. But yeah, yo. Silver is definitely a passionate Latina. She'll slap you up, and then after she calms down, she'll cook you a good meal and say, "Baby, let me hold you. You know you're my mi amor. You know you're my mi amor." That's Silver. She'll slap you a couple of times and then try to kiss you and make up. I'm just glad that she kissed me and make up tonight because yo, so like dude. All right, so I don't know Tradeify. I'm gonna have to question you, Tradeify. So I was able to lock in my maximum daily profit in this account on Tradeify. Dude, this thing literally tagged my limit. Like literally touched it and did not feel it. It did not feel it right there. Like it literally touched my limit. And I had to be patient and actually wait for this break. I had to take the break of this high right here to get my target hit right here. And good thing it hit my target before it came crashing down, because this would have stopped me out and locked me out of the account. But here I am trading the 50% of this range right here. It literally tagged me to the like, dude. I don't know, man. Like I really didn't know how to feel about that because it literally hit my limit. It didn't feel it. It would have super hit my target and I would have locked out for the day. But if I didn't pay attention and if I didn't take the break of this high right here, and the break of the high didn't work and actually came down and stopped me out and locked my account out, dude, I would feel some type of way about that because the mini silver, for whatever reason, it bounced at 100. The micro silver actually bounced at 80, which was kind of weird. I mean, I understand that they kind of off a couple of ticks, but yeah, the mini silver didn't even go all the way down to 80. It straight up bounced at 100, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, dude, dude, silver is fucking crazy, man. Nah, I can't do that. That shit is expensive, Cave Trader. $75 for a lockout feature, man, that's expensive. Dude, that's like an eval, man. I can With that money, I can just get a top step eval, and with the added benefit of I can make money. Like, dude, I just can't justify that, man. That shit is expensive. $75 for a lockout feature? That shit is expensive. I can't justify that. I can't. I can't. No matter how much my dude, it doesn't matter. Like, dude, it's the principle of the matter. It's like, yeah, I can pay this. I mean, I think anybody that can buy an eval can purchase a $75 risk management system. I mean, but it's just the principle of it. I'm not gonna buy that. If they drop that price, then yeah, I'll buy it. $50 is reasonable. $75 is expensive. It's off principle. I'd rather blow the account. Well, obviously, I wouldn't want to do it, but I'm not gonna spend. So I'm definitely gonna cancel my Trade Syncer account until they add on the risk management, because I thought that's what I thought they already had that, but I guess not. And then Tradeify, or not Tradeify, Tradeovate doesn't have it, and I don't understand why. I mean, you would think that that feature would be available to prop traders. I don't know why that's only available to like with their live accounts or whatever accounts they have that available for. It's kind of crazy. He said, "Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess that's true. I mean, if more traders are successful, then they have to pay more out. I mean, Top Step said themselves that they're getting a lot more payout requests because of these lockout features, and shit, I can understand that. I can really understand it because when I lock out my account, as soon as I lock out my account, it's like it's magic. It's my my ambitious mind knows that I can't circumvent it. So that means as soon as I lock out, I can't change it. I can't go in and make more money or make my money back. And that right there just says that you know what, I tried. I had only so with my funded accounts, I only want to take one trade. I tried. I tried my best. I can't go back in there and make that money back, and I forget about the account. If I lost that money and I'm able to go back in and make the money, just like Kobe, I got that Kobe mentality, man. The job ain't finished. It's not finished. I need to go back in there and make that damn money back. Damn it, I need to go back in there and get it. And I'm gonna do it. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and lie about that or like I try to take one trade today. It was my first trade was a losing trade. I told myself I was gonna lock out, and as soon as that thing hit my stop, my mind says, yeah, fuck that. We about to get this money back. We're gonna get it back. I don't know what you're talking about locking out. You're gonna get it back. That's why it's like, dude, I need this thing to do it without me, because I'm not gonna do it. Once my emotional mind takes over, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just not. I'm too ambitious. I can't accept loss. I can't accept defeat. I just can't do that. I'm not going to. Just can't. So whenever they get that risk management, the lockout, and then I'll purchase it and then I'll write it off on taxes and all that. Yeah. And yeah, shit, Alfred got another payout. Oh yeah. Hold on, let's showcase that. Showcase. Our boy said that he's gonna wait until Wednesday so he doesn't fall victim to payout fever. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I was like, dude, I know you sent it. All right, so yeah, our boy Alfred just locked in another payout. Congratulations. He locked in 1,500. So shit. We already know where you're going with that. Our boy Alfred is gonna go and support the local scrippers in his community. You know, we gotta always make sure that we're supporting our local scrippers, man, because they the one that's getting naked. Because if they ain't getting naked, who's gonna get naked for us? So make sure you go and support your local scripper. But but anyway, so yeah, I just locked in my so I made dude, I got 12 trays, man. Like, dude, when I said that like dude was like Gold was being super nasty to me too. She was trying to take away this account. My God. But I was like, dude, because she just kept like as soon as I kept opening the damn trade, it just stopped me out. It didn't even move, man. It just stopped me out. But I was able to come back, take a deep breath, come back, make the money that I needed to make. I make back my my loss, and then was able to lock in that payout. So I got like a 2K payout coming out too, and I'm gonna take that shit too, man, because yeah, I'm gonna take the max payout or the 2K payout. I was gonna I was gonna shoot for like 4,000 a day, but I was like, man, I didn't like, dudes. I was back and forth with silver that I just took the win. And good thing I did take the win. I mean, I did get out of this one too late, or I did get out of this move too early. Where was it at? Because the market straight up super shot up. Um, yeah, okay, so yeah, so I got in right here. I got out like right there. And then as soon as I get out of this thing goes up an extra about 500 ticks to the upside right here after I take profits and lock out. I was like, man, I could have had way more money here, but Alfred said that that was greed talking, and he was right. Instead of just saying that, I was able to make some money back and get a payout, I'm thinking about all this money that I left on the table instead of just appreciating what I got. So, but anyway, I'm locked out, so I'm definitely gonna request this tomorrow or whenever it becomes available. So that's definitely not gonna be a problem. I'm not gonna do anything that's gonna jeopardize the payout. All right. Yeah, 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 yeah. And that's definitely true, man. Just take profits and be happy. Because honestly, uh, as I've mentioned before, I've cheated myself out of like what 6 payouts this year. Instead of just being happy that I was able to get paid out, I fumbled the bag. I dropped the ball. I wanted max payout, and because I was greedy and instead of taking what I had, because dude, I was literally not like now that I logic like I'm in of a sound mind, I had $2,100 locked in. I could have just taken that, but I wanted the full 3,000, which was only $900 more. So I basically gave up $2,100 just to make $900 more and blew the whole account. So I was kind of frustrated about that, when I kind of came to and thought about that. But I could have been at least 15 to 20K richer this year, but I decided I wanted what I wanted, and unfortunately, the market took its money back. It said, "Well, now you don't get none." It says, "Sherm, give it back. Now you don't get none." And that's what the market did. So, mm, but at that time, I was kind of going through payout fever too. I was kind of going through payout fever. I just came, like I said, I was just came off of what couple of payouts, and I just wanted max payout, man. I didn't even care about it. I just wanted to get the payout. No matter if it didn't make sense or not. Mm. All right, let's see if I get my limit filled here, and we can get the market to bounce at this area. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely true, man. It's definitely true. That's why these prop firms, I mean, they're not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. At least the futures prop firms aren't going anywhere. The forex, I mean, those guys over there on those forex platforms can make like 200 plus K in payouts if they're good. Forex is insane the amount of pips it can move. Like all those trading videos that you see online, like I mean the concepts are still the same on futures, but those types of moves are not. Those those types of move only happens on forex. The closest thing to forex type movements is like the Nasdaq, probably gold and silver now, but that type of shit does not work. I've tested it. I've seen it. That shit does not work. In terms of doing it in the same session, it's highly unlikely, but on forex, yeah. So those guys over there with the forex prop firms are making real money. They're taking like 50, 20, $50,000 payouts depending on how good they are as traders. But at the same time, they're paying like 2 or 3 thousand plus for the actual accounts. If I remember correctly, I haven't looked. Actually, let's look at one. I think FTMO is probably like a. Let's see how much they cost. Because I think the last time we looked at them, they were like 2,000 plus. But they may have changed. I mean, it's not like I look at it or anything. So let's look at that. I know Smith bought one. You talking about that was that all right. So let's see how much they're charging for their accounts. Okay. Well, and this is in pounds. I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know. We got to convert that. It's like what is that? Is that like $1,000 or something like that? Ah. Damn it. Okay. Hmm. All right. So yeah, I got super stopped out there. Let me see. Hmm. mm, I was trying to hurry up and get into this. Let's see if it'll. That's getting kind of annoying. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, my diamond super clear. I'm shining like the sun. Dang. Hmm. 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 Of course. Of course. All right. Hmm. Okay. I mean, why does it look like that? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, dude. All right. Like seriously, man. Why is it saying I shouldn't have another? Dude, I saved this, dude. Mm, okay. All right. Let's see if it'll. Okay. I'm filled. Okay. Mm. Silver, you stop me out unnecessarily, I won't forgive you. Mm. I mean, I guess if it stops me out, then this shit wants to go long, man. Mm. Ah, shit. Ah, yeah, okay, that was stupid. Okay. Oh, wow. Mm. All right, man. Okay. So I basically just had Silver stop me out and then basically go in my direction. And this is what I'm talking about. Man, I don't know, dude. Man, okay. I guess in this situation, the market just wanted to go up a little bit higher, and that's all right. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. And look at that, man. Look at that winner right there, dude. Ah. And I had a 27 tick stop, so mm, if this was a funded account, if this was a funded account, uh, and I didn't have a lockout on this, yeah, I probably would have. Yeah, I probably would have revenged that because this shit literally just stopped me out and then just goes in my direction. Okay. So yeah, these FTMO accounts. I don't know what that. Mm, I mean, is this like $400 now or is that what that means? So they said the average reward is about $14,000. So these guys, I mean, I guess you can make that on futures, but this is. So yeah, so okay, so all right, so yeah, those accounts are like $1,200. This account is $1,200. So I wasn't mistaken or anything. But with these forex accounts though, these guys are making like 15,000, 15,000. I mean, that doesn't make sense because that like this account would be more than the other account. I mean, 100,000. All right. Oh, that's the average reward. Okay, let's see. Let's see. With the discount, all right, so it'll be $500 for that account. So for the 100K account with the discount, it'll be $500, but it's regularly priced at $600. So I mean, these accounts are a little bit more expensive than futures accounts, but you can definitely extract a lot of money from these accounts. So mm. What the hell?
Recording in progress.
Welcome guys, this is Fasi from SNKFC channel. Hope you all good. Okay, so we have promised you in the last video when we reach 600 subscriber, we gonna release the video about
Mm.
the entries. So don't
Damn,
forget
Silver,
to
you're not gonna give me
subscribe
no
and
type of
also
grace
like
tonight, huh?
everyone. Thanks for
You're not
supporting
gonna give
my
me no type
channel
of
and
grace, huh?
thanks for your comments. We are 600 now. So let's grow together, make it big, okay? So in
You're just gonna
this
just stop me
today's
out.
video, we're gonna speak
Damn,
about
dude.
the
Look at that, bro.
entries, okay?
Damn.
So this topic
God
one
damn, dude.
video, one lesson,
Man, this thing.
that's entries explanation. So before finding
Fucking
entries,
Silver,
before
dude.
looking for
All
entries,
right, so I just had
we
3
need
stop
to
outs in a row.
follow some rules. We need some checklist. So when it is fulfilled by the market, then
Well, I
only we
guess I'm
can
glad.
look for
Well,
some entries,
I
right?
guess if I'm gonna
So
lose,
the
then I
entries
guess
is not the
if I'm
first
going to
step that
sacrifice an
actually
account, it has to be this one.
when
If I'm going to
some
sacrifice an account.
friends, they just when they came to my direct message on Telegram or Twitter,
Mm.
when I have
But damn,
posted
Silver is
just
like
one
that.
person,
Like, god
the
damn,
first
dude.
thing they going to ask for where is my entry, where is
Mm.
my stop loss. So
Mm.
understand the one thing, entries is not a first step. So entries is a last step,
Yeah, they definitely do.
when you confirm with the direction, when you confirm with the range,
Yo, what
the
happened,
last
Tony?
step was the entries. So without a high different direction, without the range formation, the entries is
Mm.
not the perfect one. It's just the trap. So you need to understand that the first thing, entries are the last step, not the
All
first
right,
step.
dude.
Okay.
All
So
right.
if you don't understand the direction,
All
if you
right, dude.
don't
All
understand
right,
the
Silver.
range,
All right.
then entries will give you unwanted stop losses. So I always told you, if you don't know about the direction, go and watch my
Mm.
first video, that is expansion video. So in that video, I have clearly explained about the direction. And
Mm.
if you don't know about the ranges, watch my second video that I
Seven
have
five.
explained about the range
I
explanation
guess I'll put it
very
right
well with
there.
the examples, part one and the part two. So after these two things, after when you are very good at this basic two things, the direction and the ranges, then the last thing was the entries. Okay. So in SNK actually, we don't chase the entries. We don't chase the entries. We will wait for the market to
Mm.
give some permission. We always tell that we have two types of format here: the expectation and the execution. So we always wait for expectation, which is market to fulfill. Okay. Once it is fulfilled by the market, then we will look for some entries. So the SLK traders don't chase their entries. Always they wait patiently to fulfill by the market by the expectation. Then they will execute some
Yeah.
buy
I
here.
mean,
Okay. So this video is not about buy here, sell here. It's not about that. I don't give you a signal. I'm not a signal provider. Actually, it's teaching the value, teaching the knowledge, it's sharing the knowledge, about where we need to enter, what is the reason behind it.
I can't
So
believe Silver
this is
stopped
the
me out here,
basic
man.
knowledge. This is
Man, I can't believe
the
that. Like,
financial advice what you
man, I
need to
can't believe
learn.
that,
Okay.
man.
So
I
let's
can't believe I
go
can't believe that
deeper
shit,
on
honestly.
this topic here.
Silver literally
So
stopped me out
overall, we
and then
need
went in
to
my direction.
concentrate on the entries.
Mm.
Okay. So before finding the entries, I have already told you that the first
Dude,
step
no
was,
way.
before entries, the first step was a direction.
Mm.
Okay. The first step was a direction. The second step, which is the range, and the third step, which is the liquidity. Okay. After this, all the things, then only the
Let's see if we can get
entry
a
part will
full
came out.
move
So
back up
after
here.
this all
Let me
finished,
see where
then
72
there is
ticks will
one
actually be at.
entry. So when
72
you want
ticks would
to look for
be
some
at
trades, when you want to buy
110.
or sell, you always
110.
need to start with high time frame direction, then the range,
This would be
then
72 ticks. So let's see if we can
before
at least get that
entries,
hit.
you always need
Hold
to
on,
look
guys. Give me a
for
sec.
some liquidities. Understand? If you start with entry, not a direction, not a range, not a liquidity, if you start with the entry, then that is not a trade. That is a gambling. You are gambling with it. You don't have a proper reason for the trade. You don't have a storyline behind it. You don't have anything. You're just looking for some trade, and you're looking for some area to put the stop losses and take profit. One is to one, one is to two, or some fancy, or like 10 or 15, or you are risking your money where there is no reason for it. You will win by a chance, but not every time. So that you need to, if you want to treat a trade as a business, if you're looking for a full time or a part time as a real income, a real growth, you need to follow a step by
I hate
step.
this bitch, man.
So without this step by step procedure, everything was a gambling. So don't do that. Go with the
Yo,
brain
Silver is giving me
okay.
no grace tonight.
So after this, all the steps, direction and the range
She's trying to take this
will
account
come.
away from me.
So we always tell you that in the range video, when there is a
Mm,
liquidity, then there
okay.
will be some entry there. Okay.
Shit, after stopping me
So
out.
we need to, we
Mm.
as a SIP trader, we need to ask to the market. We need to ask ourselves, has the market allow me to enter the trades? It means you need some expectation. That expectation need to be
Look,
fulfilled
baby,
by the
I
market.
wasn't trading
You
nothing
need to
else.
ask yourself a question.
I wasn't looking at
So
a gold
if
chart
that expectation has
or a
been
silver chart
fulfilled,
or a copper
if
chart. My
that
bad, baby.
expectation has been
I only look
fulfilled
at
by the
you.
market,
I
then
didn't even look at the
you can
NASDAQ. I didn't
execute
call her.
there.
The NASDAQ texts
You
me.
can execute there. So if there is no expectation,
You know,
then
baby, I only got
you
eyes for
cannot
your
execute.
charts.
Understand? So if the direction is not clear, then entries are invalid. Understand? So how these three things, the direction, and the range and the liquidity, how these three
Yeah,
things
I would be in this
impact
account
your
forever, dude.
entries actually. If the
Yeah,
direction
Raquel, this
is
is the
not
static
clear,
account, man. I'm gonna be in this
direction
account
is not
forever.
clear, entries are invalid. Entries are invalid.
Oh man.
If the range is not respected, then the entries are traps.
Yeah, man.
The
I'll
entries
make
are
Alfred. I'll make you the
traps.
best man.
If
How
there
about
is
that?
no liquidity is
Make sure you bring the scrippers.
then
Oh,
your
oh my god.
entries
Oh my
are
god.
your
Ah.
losses.
Yo.
Understand?
Oh
So
my god.
this is how these three things
Oh my god.
impacting to the entries. If
Oh
the
man.
entries, if
Oh.
the direction is not good,
God
then
oh my
entries are
god, dude.
invalid.
Oh my
If the
god.
ranges
My
are
god.
not clear, then your entries are traps.
Oh my
If
god,
the
dude.
liquidity is not clear, then all your entries are
Yo, dude,
losses.
Silver, why?
So if you want to take a perfect
Mm,
entry, you want to risk a good money in a good
Man,
trade,
whatever, man.
then you need to follow these three things, because in SLA, structure, liquidity, key level, these are the important things. Understand? So based on this structure, liquidity, key
Silver
level,
says that I require
based on the
sacrifice.
ranges and
Shit.
liquidity,
You
key
need to give
level.
me that again.
Understand?
Yo,
So
what the fuck?
always
Dude, what?
put a entry without
I'm still in disbelief that she
expectation.
stopped me out,
Stop
man. I'm
entries
still in
are
disbelief.
valid. So
I thought I was good where I was
you
at,
are
man. I
trading
literally thought I
for
was good,
one
man.
year, 2 year, but you don't know the step following step. You don't know step by step
I thought I was
procedure.
good. I mean, that was a good
That
spot right
helps
there,
us,
man. No, actually, no,
to
that's not where I got in
approach
at.
the
I
market.
got in
So
like what,
I
right here,
explain like
right
this,
there at that doji right there.
teach you like this. So
I
always
think I got in at
you know,
35.
go by
Or no, I got in at
established
440.
procedure.
Yeah, I got in at
Okay,
440, dude.
one trade if you are
Right where that break
at
happened,
least a 10
and
trade
then she had to do this nasty shit right here,
step by step
stop me
procedure,
out, and then go in my
you know,
direction.
not
Super go in my direction,
we are in
man.
a business, we are trading every business, right? So if you are taking following all procedure, your one trade, then that one trade will give you a huge profit. So the thing is, all you need to be a profitable, we need a profitable system. Okay, so for that we must need to follow the procedures. Okay, so then the things, we already tell you that the higher time frame direction in entries, if you are looking for a buys, then your higher time frame direction is always bullish. So if your higher time frame direction is bullish, then you're going to take a buy trades. Your high time frame direction was a bearish, then you're going to take, if it is a bearish, then you're going to take a sell trades, because that are the expansion trades. If you are in a bullish market, always look for a buy trades from there. If you are a bearish market, then always look for sells there. Understand? Hope you can understand this. Then you need to, after
Ah,
finding
silver,
the
don't
direction,
don't do
after
it, dude.
finding
Don't
the
bounce.
trend, you
You
need
mean
to know
shit? The way that you was trying
see
to drop, just keep on
whether
dropping, man.
the
Keep on
ranges has
dropping.
been formed or not. If the ranges has been formed,
Oh
then
my
you
damn
can start
super
to look
clear.
for
I'm
the
shining
needs
like
after
the
the liquidity
sun, man.
formation. So the many peoples have a doubt on here, in entries concept, the many people has a
Mm.
doubt on, you know after the range formation. So the high time frame direction has been confirmed, the range also formed here. Okay, so I told you on the previous video, if you not watch it, go and watch it, the range explanation.
And if I can get
So
into that,
the
I would
range
rather get
form
into this thing going
when
short, man. Let
we
me see if
have
I
a
can,
sweep, when
I
we
get
have
into
a
it.
breakup structure. So when
Man,
we
I
have
bet
a
this thing
sweep,
gonna pop,
then
man.
we have a breakup structure. So
Well, I
the
guess I really
students
shouldn't
feel that
short this
the
that low.
range was
I mean, I
formed
know better
here
than that,
and the range
but I
was
mean, I know
formed
better
here.
than that.
So this is
I
a range.
shouldn't
Understand?
even done that.
So
I know
after
better
that,
than that
for looking
because it
entries,
still hasn't
we
taken
need
out.
to look
It's
for
still right here at this
liquidity,
low.
right?
It
Some
hasn't taken out this low
liquidity,
yet.
that liquidity is the reason for our entries. So you need to not
So
only
it really hasn't even
want
taken
to
out this
take
low.
some entries, at least you
So I don't
need
even
to
know
find
why.
yet three
You know, I
things.
try
What are the three
shorting it
things
right
you
now. I
need to
know better
know?
than that.
The first
That
thing
was just my
is
emotional self
our
trying to do
invalid
something
area,
foolish as per usual.
invalid area, which is our stop losses. Okay, and
109.80.
the second thing, where is our liquidity, and the third thing, where is our target.
Mm.
So
And then
if
this
you
one
are
right
looking
here.
for
It hasn't
entries
even taken
to
out this
watch
low
the
yet. So I don't even
invalid
know why I
area,
was
you
trying to
can
short that,
answer
man.
for
That was kind of
this three
foolish.
questions.
Man, that was
Which
foolish,
is our
man.
invalid area, which is our
That was
liquidity,
foolish.
which
You
is
even
our
take this low.
target.
Are you trying to
You
short it?
need to know at least a three question answer here.
Alright.
If you don't know the answer, don't enter there. If you know
Alright.
the answer, enter.
355.
Understand? So how to find the invalid area, how to find the liquidity, how to find the target.
Okay.
This is the major struggle for everyone. They still confusing about the liquidity. They don't know about what
Alright.
liquidity we need to take. There are multiple liquidities
Alright.
like
So we got the market to literally
so
bounce at
what
this. Like it
trigger
double bottom right
liquidity
here
that we don't know about
at
that?
that
What
stairs.
target we need
Hmm.
to choose? The people has a
All
lots
right,
of
we'll see. I
options.
mean, the way that this thing is
Lots of
coming down,
options
though,
in
I
this
mean,
particular
it's.
liquidity
I don't think
markets.
this thing recovers here
So
because
we
that's not
need to
like
find
real
our target
support. But
trick. Okay,
silver's been
so
kind of
here
being
the
nasty tonight,
invalid
so
area.
a
So
lot of
what is
people that
invalid
short right
area?
now could just
Invalid
get
area
stopped
means
out.
your stop
You
loss
never really
is
know.
when, or you need to change your bias when the invalid area was not valid or disrespected. So that is your invalid area. No, that is the protected area. So that protected area was your invalid level. Understand? So how to find that invalid level? I told you that when
Hmm.
when we
Man,
have
it
a
did double bottom at
formation
those
like this,
lows, though.
by
Huh. It did double bottom
when
at
we
those
have a
lows.
range formation by
Hmm.
a sweep and the breakup structure. So that low was protected level, right? This level
Hmm.
was protected level, right? So this is our invalid area. Okay, whatever we are looking for our buy trades, if this is the bullish trend, we are looking for a buys. Whatever we are looking for a buys, this is our invalid level. So if the candle disrespected to this level, then we need to change our bias. Okay, until then this bias is still valid. So here we know that this protected level, okay, and we have some liquidity here. Okay, we have some liquidity here, and we have a multiple key level here. This is one key level, and this is one key level. So the biggest confusion for the members, the students here is what key level I need to choose, what liquidity I need to choose. Understand the thing. So the liquidity
Mm.
is, you need to know before choosing the liquidity, you need to know what is the liquidity. So the liquidity is the trap. Understand? The liquidity is some buy area for a retailers. Do some people's looking for buy from one area,
Mm.
so
Okay.
that we call as a
But yeah, man,
liquidity.
sometimes, yo, in
This
some accounts,
liquidity
I just
is
can't get a
some
win, man.
area.
I don't know
We
why.
have some specific
I really
reason for
don't.
that, right? So
It's just
let
some
me tell
accounts,
you why
it's no
this is
matter what I
liquidity.
do.
Why this is liquidity here?
Like that
Let me
account, like,
explain
dude,
you
this account is
why
cursed,
here.
man.
Because
Like I've
we have
never,
a breakthrough
dude, if
of
you look at all my other accounts, you don't
having
see
apex level
these many red
or
days, yo.
resistance
It's
level. So
crazy that I
we
have
have
these types of red
two
days
different
in these
reasons
accounts.
to consider
You'll
this
see maybe one or
liquidity.
two red
Okay,
days and
so
everything
let's
else is green,
suppose
but in this account, it's like,
that
dude, I
there are
can't get a
some
win
traders,
sometimes, man.
they will take the liquidity
I just
out
can't get a
and
win.
they will bring the original. So the we
Mm.
have two things, what the institution do, what the institution do. So
Yeah,
the institution
that's true.
always create the liquidity, create the liquidity and attack
I
the
think trading
liquidity.
has changed everybody's life here. I
After
mean,
attack the liquidity,
just think about
the
it.
last step is
Probably maybe
show
five, 10 years ago,
intention.
for those that can
Show
remember,
the
what
intention.
were we all told about trading?
Okay, they have three
We were told
different
that trading was
steps to build
gambling.
a big
We was told
the
that
first
the
step
markets
was
are
very
rigged, which I mean, they're
second step
manipulated,
was
but
they
they
attack
are,
the
but they're not.
liquidity.
I mean,
The third
they are
step is
manipulated to
for
take
adding
out
the
certain
liquidity.
types of
So
traders, yeah.
just to show you some
But
intention before
the
the
markets are
liquidity
very
happen.
efficient. They
So
make measured
let me
moves. If you
suppose
look
you
at
look for
the
four
charts
buy
when they're done
signals.
painting,
You have some
you'll
liquidity
see
here.
that they
You
make
have
measured
some
moves all
liquidity
day.
here, and you have some key level here. Wait, patiently wait for the liquidity
But it's kind of
to
hard to
attack,
see that.
the liquidity
Well,
to be
I guess if you're
protected,
patient and
and
you
the
don't experience
liquidity to
FOMO,
get
you can see it in real
basically for
time.
the
But
key level to
what kind
sponsor.
of
Wait for it. If
intensifies
the
this
candle rejects
is
the
just FOMO.
if the
I mean, the measured moves are
institution
only seen
want
once the
to
candles are painted on the
use
chart
this
already.
key level,
I mean,
to
anybody
take the
can be a theorist and look at
confirmation
a
here, then we
painted
need to
chart and be like,
take
"Oh
the
my God, look
liquidity.
at that! Look at my strategy. It
Understand?
works."
So
I mean, no one
the
cares about it
institution
working if
always
the
need to
candle's
take
already
some
painted.
confirmation.
We want
If
this shit
they
to work
want
out
to
in real
worry
time.
about taking the
But
risk on this key level, some people take risk
now
on this key level.
we're seeing
So
I mean,
they put
shit.
their entry here, they will put their
You seeing
entry
18
price
year
here,
olds getting
they will put the
$20,000, $30,000
response price
payouts,
here.
20-year
If
olds, like
the
literally
stop loss
kids,
was very low pips like 10
kids
or
basically,
15 pips or
which is
10
kind of a
pips,
bad thing.
or that key level was average
Is kind
key
of a
level.
bad thing.
So in that
Uh,
situation you can use the direct entries, no problem with it.
I'm not
You
saying
can
this
do it,
happens to
you can go
everybody,
hand with
but
your trades
eventually
without
it will
any
happen.
damage your
But the
account.
same thing that
Understand?
happens to
So
the
you need
kid
to know
stars, the child
if you are
stars,
going to risk,
kids that
that risk
accomplish
will be a
so
gamble.
much at a
That
very
risk
young
was
age,
not a
and they tell
that
themselves
risk
that,
was
man,
a
there's
gamble.
I'm doing better than some
Some
adults right
people
now. I'm
manage
doing
this.
better than
So
people
when
twice my
people
age,
manage the trade,
thrice my
whether it
age,
is
et cetera, et
average key
cetera.
level or
I've
whether it is
traveled the
a stop
world.
loss pips or
I've been in
that
relationships with the
people
people that I
manage
want to
it
be in
this way.
relationships
So
with.
the
I've seen some
liquidity,
things that
even
people
whenever
will
the
die never
risk was
seeing.
around 10 to 15 pips, then you can easily
It
manage the trades.
If you understand human
Understand?
psychology and
So
human
this
nature, you'll
means you
understand
can
why
enter and
majority of
exit
these child
if you
stars
don't want to enter
are
directly. You need to look for the
addicted to
confirmation.
something.
What you need to do,
I mean,
you need
we
to
also got to consider
directly
that a lot of these
exit
child stars
in order
were,
to attack
or
the
at least they
liquidity.
claim to have been
Always
sexually
show the
molested on set.
intention.
But I mean, we're not going to talk about that.
Always
But
show the
um,
intention.
I mean, they
How
kind of
you
all go
can
through the
show the
same thing.
intention.
I don't think that's a
It is
coincidence.
going to
You see a
entertain
lot
you.
of other
So
celebrities go
there
through
will
that
be
too,
some liquidity here, and
where they
there
make
is
all
going
this
to be
money, they just
the
don't know what to
liquidity
do with
here
themselves.
of money.
Reality doesn't
This
seem real anymore.
shows
There's
some
nothing to
intention
accomplish. There's nothing
that
to
you
work
have.
towards because you've accomplished so
Information on
much
information,
at such a
the
young age.
execution will
The
show
most
you
damaging
some
thing that an
intention.
18-year-old,
So
20-year-old can do
when
is
we
make
have
$20 million dollars in the
doubts, when
market.
people have
Like, I mean,
doubts,
there is nothing
when
else
they
you can
see
do in life after that.
how the
There's literally
information
nothing
look
else.
like, it look like here the generating candle,
But
we
kind of
need
going
to
back to the
here
main point.
volume injection, like we need to
Now,
click here volume and
we don't.
volume
I'm pretty sure no one has that
volume
mentality
volume
anymore. I mean, yeah,
volume
you can come into the
injection,
market and
like
gamble,
moving
but I'm
average,
pretty sure no
like
one has that
this
mindset of,
this
yeah,
will
this is
be going
gambling.
for.
It's
So
not
when
gambling.
the
I mean, you
liquidity
can
is
come into the
there,
markets and
so
gamble, but
when the
you can
key level,
also come into the market with
what
a
are the
strategy and
indicators you
extract
need to use
money
it?
consistently from this market.
That indicator
So
is not a big deal. Don't blindly trust that. It is
these
okay
prop
to
firms have definitely
trust it.
changed a lot of people's lives.
You can use
And
indicators for confirmation.
these prop
You know,
firms have is literally a
what is a
business.
signal?
If
Understand?
you
So we
start to
need to,
see
if you use it
each
once,
account
then
as an
it's not a
employee,
big deal.
as a
What
part
is
of your
the indicator?
business,
The
as
indicator
something
was
that
the
can
session
you
indicator,
can make money,
which
you
is
can trade as a
going to look
business.
for session.
This
The
money can go
session
into your business
indicator
account and it can grow your business and you
that
can
the
expand and
indicator to
do
show
all
you
these
the
things and
intention
write off your
the
expenses on your
session
taxes. And
indicator
because I mean, technically,
understand
you, I mean,
how
these
that
prop firms
the
have you
session
as a
indicator
contractor.
will give you
So,
or will show you
I mean,
the
these accounts are literally
execution,
businesses, but
some intention on your key
I
level
don't think a lot of people
to
see it that way.
even begin.
But
So here, how
the
how
stuff
you
that we're
will
doing right
know
now,
that
if we're going to
so
put it into a perspective,
thing,
back in the day, you had to be a part of the
how
1,
how
maybe
we can
5%
get it.
to do
In
what we do
5 6
every
minutes
single
it will
day
be simplified from that.
with these firms.
So I will do it
Prop
once
firms
I
were
simply
exclusive to the
when
elites,
the
per
years
se.
goes on, we always
Not that
try
somebody is
to
better than you, but
approach the market in a
these types
decent
of
way. The approaching style, the approaching
these jobs were only
easy way that creates the SLP.
for
Understand? So
people
here you need
that
to
were in
understand
the
what
higher
are the
echelon of
time
life.
price,
I guess I'll just say
the
that.
time and price.
But now an
So
everyday
this
person
is
can buy
very
a prop
important.
account and
So
gamble.
you have a high
But
time frame key level, which is you going to look for some buys, okay, which is
people
going to
like
support,
maybe 20 years ago
okay,
would have
the
killed
price,
to be in a
and
situation that we're in now.
execution,
All right, so we
which
got
is
that
going,
break.
and
All right, so we got
understand,
that break.
and
All right, so
after
now
the key level
that's the break
it
of
is
structure that I
showing
was
the
looking for right
progression
there.
here,
So
while
now
showing the
this low is broken.
generating
Let's see if it's
candle,
gonna break
so
this low right here.
the price came to
If it
the
breaks that low,
showing the
then
rejecting candle like this,
mm,
okay. So in that situation you need to, the price is confirmed here, the price is okay, the price is
mm.
reached here.
All right, so we broke that low.
What
That low
about
is
the
broken.
time? So
All right,
in
so
the
we broken the
time,
major low.
you
Now
need to
we can
look
look
for the
for.
session
Ooh,
indicator.
shit.
What indicator? The session indicator. The session indicator show you when
Let me stop.
the price need to move. Understand? So if that session, when the candle came to your key level, that time was Asia session or London session or a New York session.
All right, let's
You
see if it'll
all
fill me.
know about the session, right?
I think it
It is
should. I
conducted
think I should
between
get filled
Asia,
here.
London, and the New York, right? So if it is,
Maybe.
if it is
Of course
the
not.
time period was near London session, assume it. If it is post the London session, what
Yeah.
happens? You need to check what the Asia session do. So if the Asia
Uh.
session is
Man.
creating a
All right.
liquidity, so the liquidity was created by the Asia session, and your main entries was
I know, right?
triggered by
I know, right?
London session.
Man, if only I took a short.
Okay,
Man, I would have been super green
then
right now.
London will be,
If only I took a short.
and the New York will continue the, understand? So you need to know, you need to check the price, when the key level has been triggered. In that time, you need, in the situation, you need to know what the session does. So then we have a three types of session moves. How the
Silver, I
Asia,
ain't gonna forgive you, man. I ain't gonna
London,
forgive you what you did.
and the
I'm
New
not
York,
forgiving you.
and the New York. In
But I guess I have to appreciate you because I was able to make some money tonight. So
and the New York
even though you were trying to act nasty to
in
me,
between the New York
you could have just pushed up higher when I was in that trade
so we don't
instead of
consider
acting nasty.
relaxation here. Okay, so assume that your key level.
And that's
So
my
what
current
your key
goal
level
right now
was
with silver.
when
I mean, silver is
this
definitely. I mean,
when
honestly, I kind of wish Tradify would have micro
so
silver. I mean, kind
when
of.
the situation
I really don't want to trade
you
gold, and I really don't want to
decide
even trade
you
copper.
need to
I just kind of
find
only want to
what
focus
is
on
the
silver
position that
because
okay,
regardless if silver
so
goes back to trading how it
if the
used to
key
trade,
level
it
was
doesn't matter.
trigger
I
on
don't need a big
the
move on
RCS
silver. I just need to be right.
if the key level was trigger in the
I just
RCS
need at least 72 ticks,
okay,
and I'm good.
then what happened, the London
So I just
behavior
honestly just want to focus on silver.
the London
And
behavior
but
like this
Tradify doesn't
the
have
New
freaking
York
micro silver, so I have to
and the New York
either
PM
trade gold or copper.
came to retracement
But my
and
goal is
behavior
to
like
like
this.
super master silver, man.
So in
Um,
that
the
situation,
payout I got
the
tonight,
RCS
I
session
mean, I was able to get that
had
in 12
a
trades.
strong low. The RCS session
I didn't like that.
has a strong low. So what I
I didn't
did,
like that.
if this candle
Um,
was triggered on that level, okay, if the candle was triggered on that
yeah, I didn't like that.
level in RCS session, then what happened? The
If I
London
followed my rules,
got
I wouldn't have gotten that payout.
you
So I
understand
mean, uh,
you understand clearly.
that's kind of what I'm
If the
mostly looking
RCS
at. If
session
I
was
followed my rules tonight, I
triggered
wouldn't have
on
got it.
in
I would
between
have
the
gotten
New
stopped
York
out.
and RCS session, the London and
Ah,
the
come
New
on,
York
silver, man, bitch.
give you a big move like this.
Silver.
Okay,
Why?
if the
Why?
New York
Why?
was
Why?
what
Why
happened
are you
when the
being so
candle was
nasty to me?
when the
Why?
candle need to
Why
replace
are
the
you
candle
being
need
so
to
nasty
react.
to me?
So if the candle reacts on the London session, so you need to check what the RCS session
Man.
was doing. So if the
Yeah,
RCS
so
session
remember that
take
that trade I had on copper today,
RCS
guys?
session take the
And I
liquidity
had to
and
pull the order
cross the key
because
level, then
I
New
had to
York
pull the
session
order
take the
because I was running into the time. You see how
so
it hit my order right here?
then
Or hold on, where was
you
it at?
have a key level
Is
here.
that hold on, is that today's session?
So
No.
this is the key level you are looking for.
Okay.
The RCS
Because I
session
remember it was
creates
like
some
20 or
liquidity.
something like that.
The RCS sessions create some liquidity.
Oh no, this is not.
Okay.
This is silver.
Now
I was like, dude, what
the
the hell?
London session, when the London session opened,
All metals
then
kind of look alike to me.
London session take the RCS session
Okay.
liquidity, but it doesn't
Damn, look at that drop.
reach your
Look at that
low.
drop.
The RCS session low was taken on
Yeah, so remember when I had to pull that
when
order
it
on
started
silver?
from here.
So
Okay,
as soon as I
but
pulled
the
it
key
and
level
locked
was
the account out
pending.
at
So in this situation, what you need
10:30.
to
So
do,
literally
you need
as
to
the
wait
stream
for
was
some
ended,
time.
yo,
If the London
like, dude, what?
failure to give us some
Dude,
liquidity,
what?
then you know what happened? The New York
What?
PM will New York AM will give
As
you
soon
a
as I
big
locked
move.
the account,
Then the New York PM will give you a big move.
it taps my limit
So
perfectly,
in this
and then it
situation,
does
the
this move.
RCI session
And so
and
I
the
saw this and
London
I was like, you
session,
know what?
they both act as a liquidity. The New York session give you the volume injection. So you understand it
That's
how
crazy right
what I
here.
told you before.
That's
When
absolutely
your
crazy.
key level
That
was
was crazy
triggered on
that it
here,
did that.
it
It
always
literally, like, dude, as
shows
soon as
you
I
intense.
locked
It
out,
always shows you some
it
interest.
bounces.
You know, it
It hits
always
my
shows some
limit
interest.
perfectly.
You want to
Like it literally, dude,
give me a big
my
move.
limit was
So
sitting at
what you are
25.
doing, it
So it touched my
so
limit
so
perfectly.
that intention was find out by a
I may have not
specific
even gotten
candle
filled on
which
this
is that
probably.
time. Understand what time you are reacting on that key level. If it is reacting
It
on
would have
that
been
key
up to
level
the
in the
system if it would
RCS
have filled
session,
that order or
then
not because it
the
tagged
RCS
25
sessions
perfectly.
act as strong low or the strong high according to a buy key level or sell key level.
And I was able
If
to
it
get
is
this move right
reacting
here.
on the London session, then you need to
Mm,
previously check that the London
okay.
already
Well,
taken the RCS session low or high.
so I
If
saw
London taken
this and
low
I
or
was like,
high,
you know what?
taken RCS session,
I had to
then the
rethink some
London
things
give you a
because
big move.
when
If
stuff
the
like this
London
happens, it's
was
very
triggering
frustrating.
on your
I
key
sat and
level
waited for this
and
move
it's
all freaking
pending
day.
to break
I
the
locked the
London
account out, and as soon as I
so
lock it
the
out, it does
RCS
it.
session
So, I
will
mean,
take RCS session
sometimes
low
these rules that
and
I
New York
have
session low as a liquidity, then it will give you a
can
big
get in
move.
the way, but
Understand?
at the same
So
time,
this is
these
how
rules that I have, I mean, they were
what you
created
need to
because
check
of
when
certain
you trade.
behaviors that I
So
like to
you need
exhibit.
some intention for it,
And a
right?
lot of those behaviors have something to do
So
with when I don't get my way, I tend to say fuck the
two
account,
types of
and
entry. The first entry type was direct
I'll
entry.
use the entire drawdown to get what I want.
The second entry type was confirmation entry. Confirmation. So the direct entry type was after taken the liquidity, after the
Well,
range
I
low
don't have too many
formation,
rules. I just have a time based
yeah,
rule.
then the range low form, the breakout, okay.
Like I guess in a
So
minute
liquidity
is going to tell me to lock out my funded
entry
accounts
level.
because I don't
So
want
the people will enter
because I have to like when I get off stream, I
like
gotta go and
putting the
work.
stop losses
You know,
on
I got some things
my
that I have
and
some tasks that I have to complete that I'm
stop
expected to
losses
complete. I have to write
and
reports.
they will target this one.
I have to do a
So
lot of things.
this will be the
And if
breakout.
I leave
So you need to
an
understand
account open to
for
trade,
every
or if I'm in a
direct
trade,
entry, you
um,
need to think about it. When
my
you
mind is
want
going to
to
be
enter the
split between the
direct
work that I
entry,
have to
when
do
you need
and
confirmation.
where my position's at.
Personally,
So
we
I
don't
lock out the
like
account so I can
enter
just focus on my
directly,
work.
like
But
we have a sweep and takeout
this
section
time
here, right? We have a liquidity nearby that level. Okay, so here I have only one key level here.
it
This
was
is
a
the
detriment to
average
me.
key level.
And like this shit literally
So in
bounced
this
his
situation,
limits me in
I
literally at the end of
need
the
to
stream.
get
And so
confirmation
yeah,
entry here.
this tells me so I
So
don't
this is the
since I'm not
breakout here.
it will tell me to
This
lock out
was
my
my
funded account so I'm
entry,
not
and I will put
trading
the
them
stop losses here.
overnight
I will
because
handle below the
if I'm in a
candle.
funded
So
account,
below,
I'm not
I will
going
put
to
the
bed.
stop losses here.
Even if I do
Now
go to sleep,
the people will
I have a
enter
habit of
here.
waking up
So
at
this is my
of taking
point.
a power
So
nap
in this
and then just
situation,
being
I
up
will use my direct
and
entry.
until my
I will
target gets
wait
hit.
for any
I
confirmation.
mean,
I will
I've
wait
been up
for
at
a candle to
5 o'clock
take
3 times now.
candle to take the
Get
liquidity.
a couple of
When
hours
this
of
gets
sleep and
closed,
then
I will
come back on the
go
stream the next. I mean, well, the same
stop
morning.
loss. I will set my
And
stop loss
that's why I had that's why I created the rule. Oh,
on
come
target.
on, Silver.
This
Like,
is
come
my
on.
session. If the
All right,
candle
man.
is giving, if
All
the
right.
price is
All
giving
right.
an entry on
That's why I created the rule on both sides of the clock so I can go to sleep
I
at
will
night
put my
and I can
stop
focus on
losses
getting
here
my
and
work
I
done.
will look for trade stop for it. So this is the direct entries. In this situation, you can use the direct entries. After that, this
You say you
what
never
is
take a
the
trade and
use of
walk away?
direct entries? You have a
Or are
multiple
you just
liquidity.
telling me that or are you
Okay,
talking about
you have
yourself?
one liquidity. You have one liquidity, but you have a
But yeah,
multiple
I don't
liquidity
necessarily dude,
at the apex level here.
I'm just gonna be up.
Okay,
I'm
so
not going to
this is the
especially
entry
if I
type.
if it's payout.
So in this
Oh hell
situation,
no,
you
dude.
have a candle week like this. Okay. Now, in this
I'm
situation,
definitely not gonna
if
go to
you are
sleep.
looking for some entry here, your stop loss was
And that's when your kids
this
want your
level.
attention the most. It's like they
Okay.
can sense
So
it, man.
if
They
this
can
level
sense
was
when
5 to
you're
6,
super focused on
then
something
in this situation, you
and
need
they
to
just come and they
put
bother you.
here directly on here.
All of a sudden, everything is
Putting
just
your
so
stop losses
important and it
here
needs daddy's attention.
and putting your stop losses
Hmm.
below the candle peak. Okay,
Hmm.
so in this situation,
Hmm.
if you are
Hmm.
it's all about you, how
Hmm.
your mindset was, how you think that this will be work
Hmm.
out because everything was aligned with each other.
Hmm.
Sometimes a key level aligned with higher time frames key levels too. So what we are looking for
Well,
here,
I mean, I don't think that makes
this
sense, right?
one
I don't think
entry
that
type
makes
was
sense.
aligned with weekly.
I don't think that makes
Also the
sense. But
weekly H4, they are all in same
we'll
time
see if
frame.
we get it.
In this situation, you can use the direct entry. Understand? So hope you understand that when you use the direct entry method. When you will use the confirmation entry method, you have some particular liquidity here and you have a confusion about a liquidity and you have confusion about a key level when we have a different types of key level here. So you don't have confidence on
Ah, man.
entry, you don't have confidence on
Mm.
which the key level will be work out. In this situation, you need to wait for a liquidity to be taken. Now what you are considering is a liquidity, you need to wait for a liquidity to
Okay.
be taken. Once
Well,
the liquidity be taken, you need to wait for the candle to show you intention. Sometimes I always told you we have an engulfing entry model, right? What is engulfing entry model? We have a
wow, Silver, you
candle
could,
like this.
dude. I don't know, man.
We have a
Maybe
candle
Silver
like
was
this.
like, that's all you get tonight.
Candle like
You
this.
got the payout.
So
That's all you're gonna get tonight.
previous
Hmm.
Okay, the previous candle week was
Huh.
sweep, we were sweep by this, and
Yeah, it just seems like for whatever reason, all the trades I'm taking on silver is
so
they're not
when
working
the
right now,
key
which
level
is
has been triggered, you need to take
interesting.
a previous candle low as a sweep. So
Three.
and the first candle and the second candle will give you the V-shaped key level. That is
Mm,
our entry. Understand? So
what
this is one
the-
type of our entry model, which is engulfing entry model. So what you need to do, what is confirmation entry? This is the confirmation entry. How you need to enter here? You have you have a sweep and breakup structure. You have two different types of key level, and you have some liquidity. Okay, if the candle came to touch any of the key level, so in this situation, you need to wait for, you know,
hmm.
if this is H4
Damn, that's for
pattern,
sure, for sure.
if this is H4
That is
pattern,
definitely for sure.
what you need to do when the candle came to reach the key level and start to reacting to the upside, in this situation, you need to go for
All right,
H1
man.
or H2
All
time
right.
frame. In that time frame, you need to
All
look
right.
for the
Okay.
entry model, which
So
is
it looks
known
like
as
just silver
the
just going
sweep
higher.
and the V-shaped key level. Understand how the entry model will be look like? It look like your first candle and the second candle, right? The first candle low need to be taken by the second candle,
Mm,
and the first candle, the first candle and the second candle close was open because was the buy candle. If this was a bullish, the buy, the sell was close. Okay, so it look like a V-shaped key level. So if both opens, if both
mm,
give you the V-shaped key level, then this is our entry here. So this is confirmation entry. If it is failed to give us confirmation entry, then the price will take the another liquidity like this, and it will came to the apex level. And the apex level, you can enter directly or you can look for any confirmation. You can understand that when you
mm,
need to, you know that when you need to look for a direct entry, and you need to know that when you need to look for confirmation. So in this confirmation entry, if the candle is giving you the engulfing
yeah.
entry confirmation, in that
Yeah.
situation,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
additional
I was hoping
confirmation
for a
is
damn
our
pullback,
session, which is I told you
I was
before,
hoping for one
we are having a
since it didn't hit
momentum.
my
Now your entry is given
man.
by the market on any level or any
Uh,
one session by taking previous session liquidity. Then in that situation, you can take your
mm,
for me, it's clear, I think so. So
yeah.
what's the video? Once again, you came to know that. Okay, so what is the time actually? Yeah, it's almost
Mm,
7 minutes actually. Okay, in the next part two video, I will show you multiple
mm,
examples with how to take this entry, because the entry video, it is not about where to enter, where to put your stop losses, like where it's your take
okay.
profit base. It's not about it. You need to know the story behind it. When you need to look for your entries, the entry is not your first step, entry is your last step. Without liquidity, there is no entry. Without high time frame,
All
there
right,
is
this is the
no
last short I'm gonna
entry.
try, man. I'm gonna try one more
Okay,
short.
so everything you need to
I
know
shouldn't do it, but I'm
about
gonna
the
try it
entry. So this is the video
if it gets
about
up there.
entry explanation. So before learning about the entries, before practicing the entries, you must know, you must practice all the three
All right.
steps.
Yeah,
The
well.
direction, the ranges, everything. So keep in mind always practice
So I had silver miss my
the
limits, stop me out and go in my
entries
direction,
explanation.
and then I
After
just,
that,
for
we will
whatever
go for
reason,
the entries in the
when I'm
next
taking
video. The next video
trades at
will be
structure, it's just
tomorrow.
trading
So
right through it.
when you
Now, I mean, I kind of figured that
give your
this
everything
area was
in
going to be an
the
area
next
where the
video,
market bounced,
it's easy to
would
learn
bounce.
how to
I just
take
figured that it would kind of
profits,
go deeper
how
into this
how to
demand
enter,
area
what
right
research
there.
you did, everything I need to
I
mention
mean,
in
you
that
guys already
video.
know how I
So
trade
that will help you
into that range right there. I thought it was going to go
that I
deeper
think so
into it right there.
better.
But
So
no, it chose to not
so
do it. I don't know
this is the
why.
entry explanation
Maybe
video.
because I had my
So
limit
if
sitting
you
there,
want to
but
learn about
it
the
decided
entry,
not to do
learn
it.
about it,
Any other
the
time it
next
does the
video
shit, but
about
I guess not this time.
like
Um,
entry explanation mentioned
And
in the
so I
beginning,
wasn't looking for a reversal. I
so
was just looking for a
so
rejection
in that in three types of video, we will show you multiple examples how to enter
because I can
registration,
easily get a
how to
72 tick
introduce
rejection.
a key level,
And
how
that's
to
what I was looking
introduce
for as
and
price was trading back
so
into
it
these
will be on
previous supply
explore
areas,
and
but
so
price is
please
just
please
eating through it right now, I
so
guess,
share our channel to your
because
friends and
bears
leave
suck.
us likes and give your genuine comments what you want. I know I all know that you all treated me as very well. I know that you all blessed me well.
All
I
right.
know
So
that
yeah, this is gonna be my
I
last
still
attempt
remember.
for a short,
So
and
I
then
really
because
enjoy
honestly, if it goes
uh,
above that high, that's like the
my teaching approach
well, really the
in
major
the
high
way,
is at like
what
a
I learned in
11,
your channel,
11
how the
or
results are
11,000
getting and improving. So
111.
take care, guys. We will
This is
see
the
you in
or
another
where is it at? 1150. Yeah, this is the major high at 1150 right there. So if it goes above that, then 1150. Okay, this is it. Either this thing works or it don't. Yeah, this is the major high at 1150 right there. So if it goes above that, then okay, this is it. Either this thing works or 25. it don't. You can't pick a wrong one. Everybody. Hmm. Well, hmm. 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 Well, I mean, I guess it could bounce at this 21 EMA, but I kind of want to make my money back. I mean, I guess it could bounce at this 21 EMA, but I kind of want to make my money back. I mean, it didn't even hit a target yet. It didn't even hit the 72 tick target. 72 tick target would be at 1090. So let's mark that. 1090 will be the 72 tick target. I mean, it didn't even hit a target yet. It didn't even hit the 72 tick target. 72 tick target would be at 10. Oh, my diamond's super clear. I'm shining like the sun, man. 1090 will be the 72 tick target. Ooh, oh, hell no, nah, dude. Oh, hell no, nah, dude. Hell no. Oh my. Oh man, Silver, don't do that. Don't do that, Silver. Don't do that shit. Don't do that. Why did I draw this line here? What is this line for? I forgot where I draw. Why did I draw this line here for? What is this line? 93? Cause this straight up bounced at it. Yo, what the? Was that like a previous area I went short? All right, so you're just being nasty. You're just being nasty at this point, dude. You're just being nasty at this point. Oh man. Oh, dude. You're just being nasty at this point. Wow. Okay. 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 All right, Silver. All right. Oh. And Roque, stop being blasphemous right now, man. You know we can't do that. Stop being blasphemous right now, man. You know we can't do that. Dude, I don't even know where that line came from. I don't even know where that line came from, dude. What the fuck? I knew I just probably drew it, but I don't remember why I drew it for. So that was kind of nasty, man. Dude, I don't even know where that line came from. I don't even know where that line came from, dude. What the fuck? I knew I just probably drew it, but I don't remember why I drew it for. So that was kind of nasty, man. And yeah, I appreciate it. I mean, dude, all I'm doing is trading at structure. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything cute. I'm just trading at structure. That's all I'm doing. I'm just trading that structure. Man. And then, hold on, let me yeah, let me delete these lines, yo. Let me delete it, yo. What the fuck? What? Oh my god. All right, man. All right, the lines have been deleted now. Now Silver doesn't know. No. My god. Guys, please, with the blasphemy. I'm trying to go to heaven here. I'm trying to go to heaven here. Not trying to make me worship Satan by taking profits. Good, yeah. Mm. All right, then. That's what I'm fucking talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Eh. That's what I'm talking about. Mm. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, we good, man. We good. We good. Good. All right. We good. So obviously I made all my money back. Yo, and this is what I'm talking about with Silver, man. Actually, let me dang, Silver almost got me, man. She almost got me. Good thing I saw this limit. And you see what I'm talking about, man? I'm leaving money on the table right now, man. Let me lock the account out until tomorrow morning because I'm already thinking about jumping back into this thing. And just lock it out. All right. I'm already thinking about jumping into this thing. Trying to get some more money out of it. Okay. All right. Let's get into the practice account for the last 8 minutes of the stream. My God, dude. Finally, yo, y'all basically seen that was basically me trying to get that payout, dude. That was me basically trying to get the payout. The market just kept running my stop until I finally got a big trade to go in my direction, making all my money back plus some, and I was able to get the payout. That's exactly what happened tonight. Exactly. And dude, when I said that, that's almost exactly what happened. I was on my last trade. I would have hit shit. No, I would have lost the account, I think, or I would have hit the daily loss limit, man, and got locked out with a big loss. I was on my last trade, and I was like, man, either this shit works or it don't. And I got in. The market just went in my direction. I wasn't in micros. I was in minis. I got all my money back for the losses and plus some to get that payout. So that's exactly what happened tonight, guys. So y'all just basically got a front row seat to it. But that's why I really enjoy trading. Oh my God, Silver, why? Why? Why couldn't you have done this, man? If you showed a little bit more of this enthusiasm that you're showing me right now, I would have probably taken some more profits, man. But that's why I really enjoy trading. Oh my God, Silver, why? Why? I mean, obviously, I left money on the damn table. I could have made some more money. More of this enthusiasm that you're showing me right now, I would have probably taken some But silver does bring out my greed, man. Silver brings out my greed. Silver brings my greed out, man. I get super greedy on silver. I have to lock my account out or I'll blow it. But silver does bring out my greed, man. Silver brings out my greed. Silver brings my greed out. I get super greedy on silver. I have to lock my account out or I'll blow it. Silver, please. Silver, please. Let me get in this. Please. All right. But I had 3 losses in the account and or I had 3 losses back to back. I was able to catch this big move. I got back all my losses plus because I was down what $200, $250. No, because I was up 450 and then I lost the 450 plus the 270. And then I got all of that back, and now I'm up $950 in that account. And that's what I'm talking about when in terms of risk to reward. I don't have to risk that much on silver, and in one good trade will get all my money back. I can't do that in gold. Gold is too volatile to trade with a 27 tick stop. It's too volatile. I can't. I'll probably get stopped out and have the trade go in my direction. Kind of like what silver did to me earlier, stopping me out and then going in the direction that I was trading in. I'll probably get stopped out and have the trade go in my direction. Kind of like what silver did to me earlier, stopping me out and then going in the direction that I was trading in. So now I get into the practice account and now the trades are easy now. Nice one, silver. Nice. Excuse me. So now I get into the practice account and now the trades are easy now. Nice one, silver. Nice. Mm. Top step. I still got 3 more days with Lucid. And honestly, mm, I've been focusing more on the top step accounts, with the risk settings. I need those risk settings, man. But yeah, um, top step. So top step is going to send me another love letter tomorrow about how it wants to send me money and See that I'm happy. So another stop out, silver. So it looks like silver is gonna. That's the second time silver stopped me out. Is gonna go in my direction. Hmm. Another stop out. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was a nasty candle because now silver ran all the stops above that high right there. So if it does drop, that was nasty right there. Look at that. It ran the liquidity above that high. That was nasty. Okay, silver, I see you. I see you liquidity hunting. Wow. Yo, anybody that would, yo, I know they're mad right now, dude. I know they're mad right now. That was nasty, silver. She stopped out everybody that was above this candle high. I mean, she would have stopped me. I mean, she already did stop me out. Damn, silver is like that, baby. It's like that, baby. Mm, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's good enough. 125. Shit, I can probably get away with more than that. I can probably get away with it. Ugh. All right, guys. All right. Well, yeah. Yeah. Again, like I said, this is what I want to. So I was able to lock out the payout. So I will be requesting that tomorrow. But the only thing I don't like is, I mean, you can see that normally I only take 1 to 2 trades, but tonight, man, I took 12 trades today. Well, I mean, I don't know if they count because I was trading at some points. I did put on two mini contracts, 2 silver contracts. So I don't know if they counted that as a trade, but still, it's like 12 trades, and I didn't like that. I like to take one and done trades, and yeah, I reached the goal, but I didn't I didn't get it the way I want to get it. I don't like that. I had to brute force that payout, and I don't like that. So that's definitely something I'm gonna work on. It's just that it's always that last day to the payout that I just get so impatient. I just want to hurry up and lock it in. I don't know why. I just don't know why I just can't just calm the fuck down and just relax, man. You said my trend lines are. I mean, hey, I'm doing is drawing structure, or where the market's been reacting towards. So, I mean, that's all I do. I'm not doing anything special. Just paying attention to market structure, paying attention to areas where the market is making highs and making lows. I'm looking at the fib levels to see, like I said, I look at fib levels to look at measured moves, and at the same time to determine where I need to get in at, because I'm looking at structure, but um, I think the market, or I think the market is definitely going to use measured moves to go up and down. So uh, I'm just going to trade at the closest. I'm gonna trade at the closest fib to structure as possible, so I don't have to worry about where exactly I'm getting in. The fibs are already telling me that already. So I mean, that's about it. And then I also use the 50% of ranges. I find myself using the 50% more than the fibs because all I do is, I mean, it's just so easy just to look for a range and trade the 50%. I mean, that's easy. But but I use both strategies. So, but all right, guys. I'm out of time for this session. I do appreciate everybody that joined me tonight. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.